I'm gonna do a video. Yeah. So Andy, you're today's winner of in the star class. How was your race?
It was pretty good. Finally we had some wind. It was a lot different than the last 2 days.
It's a hard race yesterday.
It was hard yesterday. Yeah, not much wind. We weren't very good.
Okay, so you're gonna compete in the top for the medal races.
I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you think? What do you think about the event so far?
This is a great place. I love coming to Medemblik. This
Yeah.
is just for the Delta Lloyd. It's an awesome place to sail. And
Okay.
the weather's been pretty good. I mean, look at today. It's windy and sunny and it's awesome.
So how you like the whole organization? The race committee.
Yeah, everything's good.
Yeah.
Everything's running well.
Okay. Nice courses.
Pretty darn good. I wish we had more starboats, but everything else is great. Yeah.
Okay, Andy, thank you. We hope to see you compete in the championship races tonight.
Me too.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thanks.